Mama wakwaba meeting ede Addo searching mesro now wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
Mahama commissioned, built, commissioned a commended sugar factory. Now, anyone was say, Mahama and Juma na hoye ni no. Okay? Wait, just by the by. Oko voter region. Oko commission aerodrome. Voter regional whole airport. Right? We all saw it. Oh yeah, Nanajo, we all saw it. And we all saw the container and the control tower there. There was nothing. But he commissioned it. Plane then 2 and 3 from time of commission, till 2021, when actually a prudent government made sure say Sikana Airport Company for Akoji 25 million, NDC Airport HOFuo, because and the HOFuo then the voter region for Nyamiada Roma Fangono a Biako Pie, if you people don't know. So we will need an airport in the voter region. We need an airport in the voter region. The man commissioned an airport that didn't fly even a military jet. Please, Lance Sampson, my name is Felix Apia. This is Political Zone. I lean towards NPP, so I might be speaking more positive for NPP, but it doesn't make NPP immune from my fire or my venom. Those who know me, they know. Those who know me, they know when NDC comes, I come hard. When NPP comes, it's even crazy. My mom, left, right, center. Those who know me know. All right? So that is me. Now listen. As we speak, Utie, I say, as they pay NDC for it, they sweet as facts and oh yes, we will let them learn. These guys, me see a bit force swarm for them to start speaking the truth. As we speak, what is the unemployment rate in Ghana? Still better than what John Dramani Mahama left. 2022, unemployment rate 3.87. 2023, as we speak now, they are expecting, say, by the end of 2023, unemployment would peak at a percentage point of 5. Until Sami Jenfika will say unemployment rate was better under JM than ASA. Facts, then I'm the actual. Medo Koyako 2008, their President Kufo Jama Omo and Sana. Unyameya Adumoa. Ochiname who told me ding na me ba ye the other indicators na ye they compare other countries. There was this publication I got that really caught my eye. It really caught my eye. Good any Sure. 2023 unemployment rate as we speak 4.8% in okay. He commissioned Commended Sugar Factory. And see Chile Cubu, go to Bakupo, and free Commended Sugar Factory. My young friend Nikuku. Me pacho who Commended Sugar Factory or Sabe on the market ana. Me pacho who yana Debbie. Because they chopped the money, did the media skirmish, paid Captain Smart and his people to come and lie to Ghanaians. And we lost money. Ghana lost 36 million. I want you to watch this video. And after, I'll add my comments to it. And we go to that lion boy called Sami Jenfi. Let's do this.
The Minister of Trade and Industry, HOFuo Gabra, has attributed the close down of the sugar factory to lack of power supply from the Electricity Company of Ghana.
According to the minister,
of 6.5% in April 2023. Okay, so we have countries like Austria, Estonia, Finland, and Greece with unemployment rate as high as 6.5. Outside of Europe, now let's look at Japan and others. They are doing 3.7, 3.4, 3.7, 3.4. Ghana is doing 3.8, 3.9. and you let this small boy who claims he's a lawyer but don't know anything to come and lie to you. Fact ni na mediaba no. Please, fellas, did you listen? Mad dog. HOFuo Addo akojiske kodi na mahama akojiske kodi ye mo mote parliament won na bu approve sa anya mane ne yakodi ntube di atem but the fact is fact is fact. Yeah, bet tax new one na about say bet tax but Canada ni be no so no buy or no sebe his lottery was not taxed. Why Trudin wa one at America or US you send the lottery and tax no o me kan kire omo wa hiu mo mesramo please write it in term na yanko because mo na mo sorry as I say Ghana yes e bruchiri you yate Ghana be yes e bruchiri for wi ni ayete tax and US me pa US for wa ha na omo nte tax to US UK they minimum say they pay bet tax because I'm with Betway, so I know. UK omutia tax from bet winning so. Udie omutia tiemie me pa cho Italy for omo bo chacha omutia tax. What's it? Canada don't Canada taxes where? Chairman, mama trawa there. Dr. Drew, I'm telling you now, there is a tax on your winnings. Uko winning 649 and then utie uko winning 649 and then the answer the info sika ne ma no ye better titi be free. You better to be answer na ye de sika check ne do mo de be ma say you won 100 million. Now, who the future picture but back door no yeah. Yeah, you write it. The tax. Now, when the car said there's no taxes on betting, since when? There is. I know for a fact there is. Okay? Obi crowd is a maybe. Information be a gua. Let's see. Dr. Drew, top 10 highest versus lowest gambling taxes around the world. Okay. Chairman Drew, the Nyame gua. Okay. All the way South Africa. Thank you. Good. I like informations like this. Yes, you're absolutely right. Your federal and state taxes on it. Of course. Chairman Drew, maybe I'm not able to call me minimum conform my winning scar, or my minimum conform, or my winning scar, or my